f of 0 and zeros of f, two very similar sounding terms. Let's see what the difference is. F of 0, written this way, means plug in 0 for x, which will give you your y-intercept, just one. The zeros of f are those values of x such that f of x equals 0. Those will be your x-intercepts, possibly plural. Let's go straight to an example. We're color-coded here. Pink for y-intercepts, blue for x-intercepts. For this function, f of x equal 2x minus 4, f of 0 is a plug-in. Plug in 0 everywhere you see x, which is just here. 2 times 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So, put that in here as our answer for what is the y-intercept. So, now let's put it on the plot. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it is. To get the x-intercept, in this case just the 1, to go in this table of values and on this graph, we set the function 2x minus 4 equal to 0 and solve for x. Well, if we add, get in the right color, if we add 4 to both sides of this equation, we get this. Now if we divide both sides by 2, we will get our x-intercept 2. Put it in the table here and plot it over here. And now this is a linear function. All we need is 2 points. Linear function's graph is a line. Let's now go to a quadratic function. Same table of values, same template here, and same process. F of 0, plug a 0 in here and here. 0 minus 3. Always just 1. Sometimes not even that, but there are no such thing as multiple y-intercepts of a function. So let's get the zeros, the x-intercepts, by setting the function equal to 0. Well, here we are going to need to factor that quadratic. By the so-called inverse FOIL method, trial and error. I believe that is the correct factorization. If we FOIL that out, we will get this. So, setting this factor equal to 0, x minus 3 equals 0 when x equals 3. Setting this factor equal to 0, x plus 1 equals 0, subtract 1 from both sides, and there we have that other 0, or x-intercept. I expected 2 because of the degree of this polynomial, 2. So at negative 1, positive 3, we have zeros, and I know this is a parabola, and I happen to know that's going to put its vertex right here. Axis of symmetry right between those two blue dots. And f of 1 is negative 4, so there's that vertex. And there is our parabola. 2 more functions to come.